Hello there again, YouTubers. This is a 1/4 of a horsepower Sentry electric motor. It runs on 110 volts. It's not that big of a motor, but it's 1/4 horsepower. Found this on the side of a railroad, just like the previous video. It's got sleeve bearings with a oil ring lubricator, and I think that's what it is, anyways. Because when I took it apart, there was oil rings in there. They look very similar to an oil ring style setup, and then there's also an oil sump at the bottom. So that's what I assume it is. I had to wire a cord on it. It had a really big fat cord on it when I got it, which this one isn't exactly small either, but it's got a nice industrial cord clip thing there, and it says Sentry. Frame is an F48, so it's open frame, meaning it's not explosion proof like the other motor. It's a type SP, 1/4 horsepower, 60 hertz, 1,725 RPMs, continuous duty just like the other one, 4.4 amps, I don't know if I already said that. Ambient temperature is 40 degrees Celsius, so that's the rise in temperature it gains. And then this one has the cooling fan inside of it right there. It's a rather large one for an induction motor. Usually they just have a little, few, nicks in the rotor inside of there to cool it off. But this one actually has a full-blown centrifugal fan. But anyways, I'll go ahead and do a start. Here we go. As you can see, she's a very smooth runner, very quiet. Close shot. Another thing about this motor that's kind of, it kind of irritates me is whenever I run it, if I push down on it, or kind of move it around or put a load on the shaft, it makes a ticking noise. Here, I'll show you, and I want to know how to fix this. You can kind of hear that rattling noise. I'm not sure what that is. Is it when I tip it up? Or it just does it sometimes. And this started happening after I took it apart and, cleaned it up and stuff. Yeah, so there's something I did that caused it to do that. But if you guys could tell me, let me know. Found this motor on the side of a railroad track, and it was filthy. Long story short, took it apart, cleaned it up, cleaned the bearings out, and now it's a good little motor. So there you go, folks. Hope you